cheating. Come on, man, stop cheating. Come on, man. Stop cheating. Come on, man. Come on, man. That nigga left early. Come on, man. How you left early? Come on. Say, man, hey, man, you already know who it is. Your boy Booster Fit. After a workout, man, you know what I'm talking about? Quarantine going on. We in the parking lot with it, man, you know what I'm talking about? I'm about 230 pounds, 230 odd pounds. Will, how much you weigh?
Man, big 238, man.
Hey, say, man, my guy say he weigh 238, man, you know what I'm talking about? We about to get these suicides in, man. Chuck. Quick, before you go any further, comment below and let me know who do you think finished, who do you think didn't finish, if we both finished or if we both didn't finish. Say, man, hey, man, the quarantine ain't gonna stop nothing over here, man. You know what I'm talking about? We still trying to build muscle and burn fat. And today, I have my guy Will with me, and we out here in the parking lot after a workout, after a race, and we're doing suicide sprints from line to line. I'm sure a lot of people out there are curious. You're probably asking yourself, what is a suicide in running, or what does suicide have to do with running? Now that you are curious, a suicide is a high intensity sprinting drill that consists of running to multiple progressively distant lines within a set as fast as you can. I know some of the haters are gonna get on here and be like, man, I can run faster than that. Those dudes not fast, they're not running the suicide fast. Well, check this out, man, you know what I'm talking about? I know I gained probably about 40 pounds since college. And I know we'll probably gain about the same or even more. So we don't train like this every day. We do a lot of weight training. We don't go out there and run suicides and run sprints every day. But guess what? We're about to start. And the next time that you see us run these suicides, it will be faster. And the next time you see us racing, it will be faster. Because we're gonna go out there and train our body and get the muscle memory that we used to have and the running that we used to do, and we're gonna go out there and crush it. This type of high intensity training, it will most definitely burn fat. And it will also test your ability to push through mental and physical fatigue to meet your goals. It does not matter how fast you are, it does not matter how slow you are. As long as you finish the workout, that's all I'm concerned about. I'm concerned about you finishing and giving it your all between those lines, on that treadmill, at home, in the gym. That's all I ask of you. As you can see, it was rough for the both of us, but guess what? We finished the workout, man. Quick hit, baby. High intensity interval training, baby. You know what I'm talking about? You should be breathing like this when you're done. Jamma got Will right here. You know what I'm talking about? We out getting that quarantine money, man. You know what I'm talking about?
Don't do no talking.
You feel me?
You shouldn't be talking to me.
I just know what I can do. Hey, man, so add it to your workout. If you don't have a gym, you just get a parking lot and you run, get your heart rate up, and then you slow it back down and get your heart rate up. You'll be burning fat all day, man. You know what I'm talking about? Charge! For some reason, I keep running to this big dude in this small car. What the hell?
Keep your 7,000.
What the hell?
I didn't know what I
Hey,
can
man.
do.
Man, your arm bigger than the car.
I didn't know what I can do.
All right, man, drive on. Woo! Check out them wheels. Check out. Since you made it this far in the video, you might as well watch another one. I have one at the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. Click one and swallow.